Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a clean and organize with me under my kitchen sink. It is also in collab with my new friend that I met here on YouTube. Her name is Madison and her YouTube channel is Maddie and Family. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself. So here she is.
Hi guys, my name is Madison and I am from the YouTube channel Maddie and Family. I post a lot of lifestyle videos, organizing videos, recipe videos, food store hauls. Sometimes I throw in a vlog just to kind of mix things up. It's a lifestyle channel and I just post what I'm feeling at the moment. If you guys come over to my channel and watch my video, let me know in the comments below that you're coming from Kristen's channel. I would love to say hi to you guys and I hope I see you guys soon. Bye guys.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. My under the sink is a very difficult spot. I'm sure everybody's under the kitchen sink is a difficult spot. Our sink used to really badly leak and we just got like new countertops not that long ago. So with our new countertop, we got a new underlayment sink where the edge doesn't, you know, it's like all in there. But it was an actual wider sink than what we had before, so my dad had to rebuild the piping, and let's just say that took away more room. So this is what I'm working with. It is one hot mess. I feel like it's such a hard area to work with because of all the pipes. I have this thing in the center that a lot of my other cabinets don't even have that, but this one does, and I'm guessing that's because it's supporting the weight of the sink. So my goal is to just organize this. I'm pretty sure I can get rid of some of this stuff in here. Like some of the stuff I probably don't even really use. I got a ton of new stuff from my first shipment from Grove Collaborative. I am so excited. So you will see a whole bunch of just stuff thrown in here because I got that and I really just tossed it in there. So now it's time to organize it and hopefully this does not look like this at the end. Now this is why you should clean out like spaces like this, because this is rubbing alcohol and I was looking for rubbing alcohol forever like in this house, because if you don't know, rubbing alcohol does take pin and red wine out of your couch. And the pin mark, it was there for like 4 months because I just thought it would never come out, and I looked it up on Pinterest and rubbing alcohol took it out like in 10 seconds. So it's a good tip for you. I have this rod here that I am going to try to fit in there for like certain bottles. It used to actually go up in our window, but I took the curtain down, and I actually like it without a curtain, so I might try to use it under the sink. I wish I would have bought like the sticky tiles or some kind of like mat to go under here, but I just didn't have time to go out and grab one. I might do that later on, but I'm just gonna spray this out and kind of clean it before I go through all this stuff. as a bust because I think it's just too big and it's not like very springy enough, I guess. Like it's too tight, like it won't fit. Whatever. Done now. It doesn't, honestly, it looks almost the same, and I got rid of a few things. I pretty much organized and cleaned everything up, but I got a lot of new cleaning products that I'm going with, like the more natural cleaning products that are a little bit better for you, but I also still have stuff that I haven't finished, and I'm not just gonna throw it away because it's not 100% completely bad. I'm just not gonna throw something away if it's, you know, if there's still stuff in there to be used. Yeah, I'll kind of show you what I did. I feel like it's more organized. It may not look like it, but to me, it really is. And my plan is to use all the products that, you know, I have good products and I have bad products, and I'm going to use them up and then I will just not buy them again. Okay, let me go over my method to my madness here. This here is mainly like stuff that I use all the time. I'm going to be trying this Method Daily Wood Cleaner because our cabinets are really dark cabinets, and you can see, I mean, just everything on them. Like, see right there, you can see how dirty that is. But this, I love Bona Cleaner, but the Bona cabinet cleaner, it doesn't cut it. Like, it just, I shouldn't have to be out of breath and sweating by the time I clean one door. So we're getting, I don't know, I don't even know if I'll go through this. I'll see if maybe my mom wants it or something, if it works better for her, because she has white cabinets. I don't know. But so like this over here is stuff I don't use that much. I do use, right now I have the Bona like floor cleaner, and once I'm done with that, I'm actually going to try, I think, the Method. We have like bigger jugs that we get from Sam's of like Dawn dish soap and whatnot, and honestly I have like 20 billion little bottles of it from when we were bottle feeding Emma. I have just my Method cleaners, I have Lysol wipes. I'm trying to get through this fabric softener, this Febreze. That way I can use this bottle to make my own type of stuff that people have suggested. And this back here is like this miscellaneous like basket thing my mom made. But it has like my dog's ear medicine, my dog's waterless shampoo, just a whole bunch of random stuff that I kind of have to ask my husband about if it's trash or what it is. I don't know what they are. And then my new little caddy I got for right now, I'm just going to put it here with like all the random sponges and for our steam mop and all that right there. And then we have our trash bags. We just like to have them right there. It may not look picture ready and super pretty, but honestly, it's under the kitchen sink. It doesn't have to look spick and span and have like all these pretty drawers under there. So I do have a lot of work with it. I do need to hurry up and either use those products that I don't want anymore and get rid of them, or donate them to somebody that I know that wants them. That way I can have less under there and it will be a little bit nicer. So thanks for watching. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the little notification bell. That way you know when I upload next. It's been a long night. And I have a lot of new videos coming here soon. I have a lot of cool collabs with some really nice and awesome people. So I will see you guys later, and don't forget to go check out Madison's video. See you later.